Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a process video to play along with Scrap Squad Scrap Lift, and I'm going to work on week 4. Let me show you what we have. It's a scrapbook cards and today little scrap lift. So we've got a bunch of pattern paper scraps, which I love here with some embellishments, and it kind of follows suits down here. Has 2 photos. I'll use one, but maybe I can use like a 3x4 card. And then just some embellishments. I like that there's a pile of happy, fun stuff to be had. So let's see what we have. I am using a kit from Color Rush Studio. It's sent to me as Happy Mail, so it's even better, right? And it's called the Good Times Kit. I have the main kit here. I also have the bowl kit, but it's not included in these things. I kept it separate because I have some little plans for it, like school layouts with that one. This is all kinds of carnival and going to the fair and going to events, which I love. Now, I wanted to be able to use a piece of paper that would kind of work for anything, something that reads like a little bit more of a solid, but I want to use a pattern paper. So I think the plainest one I have left, I've already used this for a background, but hey, if it's working, it's working. Let's use this one. It's from Simple Stories Summer Snapshots. It's called Easy Breezy. The back side, it is yum yum sauce. Yes, it is. Okay, so when I was looking at it, I started looking at my scraps because I really do like to look at my scraps first before I cut into exquisite papers, right? And when I was looking, I'm like, I really want to use this typewriter paper as one of my anchoring papers, but I already have, the only scrap I have left of it, I believe, I'll double check. I think the only scrap I have left of it, yeah, it is going in the wrong direction. So I say to myself, what do we do about this? And we are just going to change the vibe of the scrap lift to, instead of being more of a horizontal vibe, we are going to go more of a vertical. My daughter called, so I did a couple things in between. So let me go back to that Facebook. So you guys know, I just lost the thing on Facebook. So instead of all the goodies being here, I'm going to do here. So let me tell you about my photo so you can see why I'm choosing these colors. So we have a like AAA baseball stadium near us, and it's like $7 tickets, really great surroundings, really great for kids. And the little mascots are walking around, and I had a picture taken with them one of the evenings for watching the game. So I thought that would be super duper cute. Now, let me go back to Scrap Squad on Z Facebook and look at it again. So number 4. Okay, so this one is showing, see, I'm looking at it. If I have it like that, I could bring in, no, that one's not as cute. I could go like this. I think that would be super cute. I could cut this out and put it here because it had 2 photos if I want to do that kind of thing. However, I kind of like that too. But maybe I'll fussy cut these 2 pieces. I found a couple things to fussy cut. I can fussy cut this out. So much fun. That brings in more red like the mascot. These are going to get splatted down. Then I have to go through the die cut pieces and things that I fussy cut. So I have this Admit One would work. Admit Go, So Fun would work. Ampersand, not really. So I've got these pointy fingers. I'll see how many of those. I've got this word yay that I already fussy cut. I mean, you can do snacks, so maybe I'll have that. They sell popcorn and all that stuff everywhere. I think, actually, I'm going to use that. I think that's a great time to bring that in. Then we also have, oh, see how we have so much fun right here? I'm going to not cut that out yet. I have this one. Let's use what we have first. So this isn't a carnival thing. Ooh, look at this, Good Times. So I can put Good Times maybe over there for a title. It's kind of disappearing. I'm gonna bring in these black swirly bits to play up the black that is on our edges. So a little bit of black swirly bits coming out, why not? Ooh, these are cute. Some like shooting stars are cute. So anything else that I can, ooh, tickets, because you need tickets to get in. To get in there, I am gonna just go ahead and put on like these little cheesy fries because they sell food everywhere. A ticket that reads fun. Let's go have some fun. So I'm gonna see how many of these treasures I can get on. Oh, a little red balloon. Perfect. Once again, just playing it up. These pieces right here are more like, you know, super associated with, what a blast is cute too, with Carnival. So I'm gonna move them to the side. So I'm gonna layer up as much as I can because that's what I do. I think I'll even grab our Frazzles and ribbon and bring in, let's see, I already have a red stripe. So I'm trying to figure out how, if I brought this in, I could just do a bow or a staple piece on two different sides. That would be really cute to bring in just a little bit more. I think that's fun. So that's 4 layers. Let's do this stronger black and we'll have 5 layers. I'm gonna just use this like it's a layer just like the paper. Okay, I think that'll be fun. I'm gonna spend some time layering up all the Who's It, What's It's without you guys having to be bored. And I will see you guys back here in a jiff. So I layered up all of the things and love it. So it's United Wholesale Mortgage Field is what it's called now. So we pop that on. Lots of bits here. And I think the only thing I'm going to do is pile on some enamel dots simply because I feel like it's finished. And I want to go just a little bit willy-nilly whimsical with the enamel dots. And I wouldn't mind using plenty of them. So let's just go ahead and layer up all of the things, get lots of them on here, and we are going to call this a day. So I'm going to have down below, guys, the link for, it's an affiliate link. So affiliate links for, sorry, I'm getting excited putting all of these on. For Color Rush Studio, if you do not like to do affiliate links, I totally get you. You do you. Just go ahead and go to colorrushstudio.com and get this kit because it is beyond adorable. UWM. I thought I would just go ahead and put these last 2. You know what? I have one more here and it matches. And I'm gonna act like it's some kind of like design idea, but it's just using something up so my package can be empty. All right, that's what I have for you guys today, and I am gonna see you guys so cute ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.